Hello guys, today let us learn how to work with a text file using Python program. So in this session we will be learning how to create or write a new file, how to read the existing file, how to append new text contents to the existing file, and at the end we'll see how we can delete the file. So for creating a new file, let us start with open / input.txt write as file. So what it does is like with open .input.txt. So I'm using a relative path. So it will create this particular text file into the folder where my new1.py code is available. So if you see, like, my new1.py code is available in the folder called text. So I want my input.txt to be present here, or to be created here. And we have these modes here. We have R for read, W for write, A for append. So now, like, it should open a file or create a file with write mode. Okay. Now next, what I will do is, like, I will be using try except statement, because there are sometimes error will be there, and if I use try except statement, then those exceptions will be caught and will be presented to us, so it will be very easy for us, and also it's a professional way of handling the code. Try x equal to file dot write hello. So I want to create a new file called input.txt, and I want to write this particular strings to it. Hello Python. I'm a beginner. Okay. Then at the end, what we'll do is, like, we'll be saving the file, or we'll just close the file. So we don't have any code for saving a file. If you just type file.close method, so this itself will close the file and save the text file. Okay. Now since we have try statement, so we have accept error as er. Any error, it is caught in the exception, so it should tell us what the error is. If there is no exceptions caught, else print. In my previous tutorial or playlist number 11, I have described about try except statement. So if you have some confusion or doubt about it, you can go to that particular video and you can explore yourself what this try and except statement does. Okay. So let us see running the code. So it says, like, file has been created successfully, and as well as you can see an input text file has been created here. Let me open the file, and you can see, like, hello Python, I am a beginner. So now, like, we'll have multiple strings, right, multiple lines, how to write the text in the new line. So that also we have a thing, like, so here we have write hello Python, I am a beginner. So what you need to do is, like, you need to press slash and then you need to start writing the new line. Say Python is very simple. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm just going to delete the file. So if you don't delete also, there's no problem, because it will overwrite the file. Let me do that too. I have an input file here. If I directly create a new file again, if the name is similar, then it will just overwrite that existing file. This file has been created successfully. See here, hello Python, I'm a beginner, and I have written the next line, the next statement in the next line. So hope you have understood this particular part. Next, I'll be going to show you, once the file has been created, how to read that particular file. So now I have a file called input.txt has been created here with this particular text. let me show you how I can read the file. I will do the same thing with open /n /input.txt. We have this R. For read mode we will be using R as file. Then what I will be doing is like same try statement, x is equal to file.read. x.file.read, what it will do is it will just read the entire content of the file. Print x. So since I will accept so here I'm not using else statement again, so this should be enough. So let us see what it returns the code. Print okay, it's okay. Yeah. See here. So it returns that file, returns the content of that input.txt. Hello Python, I'm a beginner and Python is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. And now here I will use, if I use read lines, it will return the same thing. Files the read lines, it will return the same thing, but it will return in a list format. Okay, let us see that also. It will return each line but in list format. Hello Python, I'm a beginner, comma, again it is a list. Python is very simple, so it is a list format. Now I'll to show you how we can append a file to this. So I will be using this particular bit of code only. Okay, so I have this with open input.txt as a, that is append. Then try x.file.read. What I will be doing is I will be starting with a new line /n. Then I will be writing like this is awesome. Okay, now let us see. Okay, file has mapped successfully. Let us go to the input.txt, and you can find here, hello Python, I am a beginner. Python is very simple. Then I am creating starting with a new line. This is awesome. Hope you have understood this, how to append a new file. Then next we'll be seeing like how we can delete this text file. So for deleting a text file, you need to import a module called OS, import OS, and at the end of the part what you can do is like os.remove, and you can just put the file name, what file you want to remove, input.txt. Okay, so let me see. I don't want this now. My file has been already created. If you select, my input.txt has been removed from here automatically. So this is how we can delete the text file from a given folder. Hope you have understood this video and the concept of a text file with Python. So I will be having more videos for text file using Python, say how we can delete the duplicate lines from the text file. So there will be many such videos on text file. So please, if you have liked my video, please press like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.